Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter number 5, articles from the book English Grammar 5. We have articles, the words a and the are called articles. These are used before nouns. A and an are indefinite articles, the is the definite articles. So जो words होते हैं a, an और the, इनको हम articles कहते हैं. Articles को हम noun से पहले यूज करते हैं. a और an को हम indefinite article कहते हैं and the को हम definite article कहते हैं. Okay, then we have use of a and an. A and an mean one. A and an are used before countable nouns in the singular number. तो a और an जो होते हैं इनका मतलब होता है one, means a single thing. Okay, और जो a और an है हम countable noun से पहले यूज करते हैं. Okay, we have examples: a bat, an orange, a cat, a dog, an egg, an apple. We use a before a word beginning with the consonant sound. उन words के साथ जो कि begin करते हैं consonant sound के साथ. We have examples: a dog, a girl, a man, etc. Here you can see we have letter D, which is a consonant. So that's why we use a with consonant sound words. Okay. Before a word beginning with a vowel but pronounced as a consonant U. So ऐसे words के साथ जो कि begin तो vowel letter से कर रहे हैं but वो pronounce किए जाते हैं U, Y-O-U की तरह. So examples we have a European, a university, a unicorn, etc. So we read it as European, like this. So that's why, because of this U, how it sounds, that's why we use a before it. Okay, and similar in these cases, university and unicorn, and there are many other examples. Okay, then we use an before a word beginning with a vowel sound. तो ऐसे वर्ड के साथ जो कि वॉवल साउंड से बिगिन कर रहे हैं. वॉवल्स आर ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू. We have examples: an aeroplane, an elephant, an egg, etc. So here you can see we have A, which is a vowel. That's why we have used an. Then E, we have, this is again a vowel. That's why we have used an. Then before a word beginning with a silent H resulting in a vowel sound at the beginning. और उन वर्ड्स के साथ जिसमें जो H है वो साइलेंट हो जाता है, उसकी वजह से जो साउंड आता है वो वॉवल साउंड आता है. कॉन्सोनेंट वर्ड दिखते हैं, स्टार्टिंग में लेटर होता है बट वॉवल का साउंड आता है. ओके, एग्जाम्पल्स: एन ऑनेस्ट, ऑनेस्ट पढ़ा जाता है. H साइलेंट, हॉनेस्ट नहीं पढ़ते, इसे ऑनेस्ट पढ़ते हैं. राइट. So because of this, then an R, this is how we read this. And here, an honorable, that's how we read this. Man. Okay. Before abbreviations beginning with a consonant letter having a vowel sound. फिर abbreviation के साथ भी हम use करते हैं जिनमें vowel sound आ रहा है. जैसे an MA. So M, E-M-A, M-A, that's how is it sound. So because of this E, which is a vowel, that's why we use an M-L-A, an M-P, okay, and etc. We have creative skill, time to do A, fill in the blanks with A or an, okay. First, dash European and dash Indian. So the answer is a European and an Indian. Okay. Then second, dash boy with dash egg. The answer is a boy with an egg. Okay. Then we have third, dash necklace and dash earring. The answer is a necklace and an earring. Then fourth, dash cow and dash elephant. The answer is a cow and an elephant. Then fifth, dash apple and dash orange. The answer is an apple and an orange. Then we have sixth, dash BA and dash MA. The answer here is a BA and an MA. BA doesn't give a vowel sound. That's why we'll use A here. Okay. Seventh, dash ice cream and dash university. The answer is an ice cream and a university. Okay. Then we have eighth, dash stone and dash iron sheet. The answer is a stone and an iron sheet. Then we have B, use a or an wherever necessary. Put a cross in the blank space where no answer is required. So हमें a और an use करना है जहां पर जरूरी है, ओके, और जहां नहीं है जरूरत वहां क्रॉस साइन पुट करना है, ओके. First, they have dash university of their own. So we'll put a cross sign because university is used in the journal sense. Okay. Second, I want dash glass of dash water. Now, here we'll write a glass of, we'll put a cross sign because we don't use any article with this. This is a uncountable noun. So, we'll not use a or an. Okay. So we'll put cross. Third, dash chair is made of dash wood. Now again we'll put the cross sign here because chair is used in journal sense. Then again here is also we'll put a cross sign. We don't need to write any article here. Then fourth, he has dash R to reach there. So we have R. So we'll write here an. Fifth, is he dash MP or dash MLA? The answer is an MP or an MLA. Then sixth, dash dog has dash tail. Now we'll put cross here. And the answer here is a tail. एक ही tail होती है, right? Seventh, I am reading dash story. It is very interesting. So the answer here is a story. Okay. Now use of the. The is used when we refer to or speak of a particular person or thing or one already mentioned or known. तो द का हम वहां यूज करते हैं जब हम रेफर कर रहे हो किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और थिंग के बारे में, और या फिर वहां यूज किया जाता है उन चीजों के बारे में जो ऑलरेडी मेंशन होती है या नोन होती है. ओके, वी हैव एग्जांपल्स. फर्स्ट, आई बॉट अ पेन येस्टरडे. एनी पेन. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव यूज्ड अ. कोई भी पेन हो सकता है, राइट? The pen I bought yesterday is on the table. A particular pen. Now we have used the. जो मैंने पेन खरीदा था वो टेबल पर है. Now we are particular about that pen. That's why we have used the here. Okay. Next example. I saw a bagger. The word bagger has been mentioned for the first time. So it could be any bagger. फर्स्ट टाइम हमने यूज किया, दैट्स व्हाई हमने अ यूज किया, क्योंकि वो कोई भी बैगर हो सकता है, राइट? देन द बैगर आस्क्ड फॉर सम फूड. नाउ इट इज अ पर्टिकुलर बैगर. अब फर्दर अब हम बैगर के बारे में बात करेंगे. सो वी आर पर्टिकुलर अबाउट इट. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव यूज्ड द, कि बैगर ने कुछ खाने के लिए मांगा. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव यूज्ड द हियर बिकॉज वी आर पर्टिकुलर अबाउट दैट बैगर. बिफोर सुपरलेटिव्स, सुपरलेटिव्स से भी पहले हम द यूज करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स, First, giraffe is the tallest animal. This is the superlative degree of adjective here. That's why we have used the before it. Okay. Second, she is the wisest girl in the class. Again, you can see this is the superlative degree of adjective. That's why we have used the before it. Alright. Then with comparative to denote selection out of two. तो कंपेरेटिव्स के साथ भी यूज करते हैं ताकि हम सिलेक्शन को डिनोट कर सके, बता सके. वी हैव एग्जाम्पल्स. एग्जाम्पल, शी इज द वाइजर ऑफ द टू. हियर यू कैन सी द, दो लोगों के बीच में कंपैरिजन हो रहा है, तो सिलेक्शन को हमने दिखाने के लिए वी हैव यूज द. बिफोर, सेम एंड आफ्टर बोथ, ऑल एंड हाफ. सेम से पहले और बोथ, ऑल और हाफ के बाद भी हम द यूज करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स, फर्स्ट, यू आर सेइंग द सेम थिंग. Here you can see we have used the before same. Okay. Then second, both the brothers came. Then we have used the after both. Okay. When a whole class is denoted, जब हम पूरे ग्रुप के बारे में या क्लास के बारे में, basically we are talking about the common nouns when we are referring to the whole class. Okay. So we have examples. The cow is a useful animal. Now we are referring for the whole class of cows, whole group, each and every cow, right? The is used before the following. We have some more rules to know. Name of things that are unique and one of their kind. ऐसी चीजों के साथ जो कि सिर्फ एक ही है पूरे वर्ल्ड में, यूनिक है. ओके. एग्जाम्पल्स, द सन, द मून. ओके. देन with the name of rivers as well. Examples, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra, the Nile. Okay. Then name of seas and oceans. Examples, the Bay of Bengal, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean. Okay. Then names of canals and deserts. Canals और desert के name के साथ भी. Examples, the Satluj Canal, the Thar Desert. All right. Names of mountain ranges. Examples, the Himalayas, the Alps. इनके साथ भी हम use करते हैं the. Then names of epic books. Examples, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran. Then with the name of newspapers as well. Examples, the Times of India, the Hindu, the Hindustan Times. Okay. Then names of well-known buildings, उनके साथ भी दो यूज करते हैं. Examples, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, the Victoria Memorial, the India Gate. Okay. Then name of some countries, countries के name के साथ भी. Examples, the USA, the UK, the India, the China. Okay. Then we have know it. The is not used with proper nouns. The Ashok, the India. तो जो the होता है वो हम proper nouns के साथ use नहीं करते. Okay. With uncountable nouns that name materials, the iron, the gold. Uncountable nouns के साथ भी use नहीं करते जो material को name देते हैं. For example, the iron, the gold, the copper. This is not right. Okay. With uncountable nouns that name qualities, the love, the beauty. ऐसे uncountable nouns के साथ भी use नहीं करते जो कि qualities को show करते हैं. Example we have given, the love, the beauty. We'll not use the word with those words. Okay. Then we have creative skill, time to do, fill in the blanks with suitable articles. First, this is dash most interesting book I have ever read. Now, we are particular about that book. That's why we'll use the here. Second, I have read dash Ramayana and not dash Bible. Now the answer is the Ramayana and not the Bible, because these are the epic books, right? Then third, dash sun is dash star. Now sun, it is a unique or one of their kind thing. That's why we'll use the and here a. Then fourth, dash Hooghly river flows into dash Bay of Bengal. Now we are talking about Hooghly river. So we'll use the. Then Bay of Bengal, which is the name of the ocean. So we'll use again the. Then fifth, I saw dash octopus on the beach. Now octopus. This gives a vowel sound. So we'll use an. Sixth, we went to dash room we were assigned. Now we are particular about that room. So we'll use the. Seventh, this is dash book I was looking for. Now book. Again, we are particular about that book. So we'll use the. Eighth, that was dash exciting show. Now we have exciting. It has a letter E, which is a vowel. So we'll use an. Ninth, we traveled to dash new city every month. Third, the answer is a new city. Then 10th, this is dash only times I am lending you my notes. The answer is the, because we are referring to the time period particularly, okay? Then we have review. The words a, and the are called articles. A, an और the को हम articles कहते हैं. A and an are used before countable nouns in the singular number. A और an हम countable nouns के साथ use करते हैं which refer to the singular numbers. Okay. We use a before a word beginning with the consonant sound. हम अ उन वर्ड्स के साथ यूज करते हैं जो कि कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से बिगिन कर रहे हैं. वी यूज एन बिफोर अ वर्ड बिगिनिंग विद अ वॉवल साउंड. हम एन उन वर्ड्स के साथ यूज करते हैं जो वॉवल साउंड से बिगिन करते हैं. वी यूज द व्हेन वी रेफर टू अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और थिंग और वन ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड और नोन. हम द उन पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और थिंग के लिए यूज करते हैं और उन चीजों में भी यूज करते हैं जो कि ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड है या नोन है हमें. वी यूज द बिफोर सुपरलेटिव. सुपरलेटिव से भी पहले हम द यूज करते हैं. वी यूज द बिफोर थिंग्स दैट आर यूनिक एंड वन ऑफ देयर काइंड. हम द उन चीजों के साथ भी यूज करते हैं जो यूनिक होती है और अपने तरीके की होती हैं. वी यूज द बिफोर द नेम ऑफ रिवर, सी, ओशन, कैनाल्स, डेजर्ट, mountain ranges, epic books, newspaper, monuments, etc. Okay. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.